Now it's time to say goodbye to total brokenness. Every time you are constantly broke and you don't even have a dollar to do one or two things about your own life, and that time is over. In this video, I'm going to show you top lucrative small business idea you can start with free magic tools, and these tools are nothing but ChatGPT and Canva. These are the two magic tools that you can use literally right now in 2024 and start your own business from home. Like, you don't even need anybody trying to employ you or somebody trying to tell you. No, you don't even need that, and anybody can start this business. But the thing is, if you don't have 5 minutes to listen to what I'm about to say and the ideas I'm about to spit out right now that is currently making people so much money on the internet, then you can as well just click off this video and go and start watching your Netflix and go and be watching comedies and go and be watching movies and continue to stay broke. But if you are among those that who want to understand what is the ideas that people are currently using to make money right now on the internet, then keep watching this video. And I'm not going to bore you with any long talk. Let's go straight to business idea you can start right now with Canva. Canva is a free tool. If you don't know about it, it's a very free tool. You can start for free and start making money with Canva by doing what I'm about to show you. Now, business number one is this: content creation agency. Right? We have a lot of people right now in 2024 that don't even know how to create good articles. Right? That don't even know how to post on their social media. This thing, it will shock you. This thing is very simple. Anybody can do this, but not everybody has the time to do it, and not everybody is even interested in stopping what they are doing that is giving them money to focus on this, because some people will consider this as a low level kind of tax. So it's not going to be a major tax for them. But if they can get somebody like you who will handle this for them, they will be happy to pay you certain amount of dollar every month for you to execute it. And all you need to do is just to have these two tools, ChatGPT and Canva. Now, what do you need ChatGPT for? You need ChatGPT to generate high quality blog posts, right? Articles and social media content for your client. That's all you need ChatGPT for, nothing more. And it's free. 2, you need Canva to design engaging graphics and visuals to accompany the content that you have created for your client. Then finally, market your service to small businesses and entrepreneurs, and they will love to have someone like you helping them with this particular task, because even though they are making money, they can't spend their time doing this particular task. So they need someone like you. And instead of staying broke, looking for what to do, you can literally start this from today. Now, this is the profit potential for this business. Anything around $5,000 people pay per month, depending on number of clients you have on a project. People are making this amount of money per month, about $500. Let's say for a start, you can make this amount of money. 2 clients can pay you this. 1 client can pay you, depending on level of expertise. Like I say, anyone can start. Assuming you're starting from a very low level, then you can be anything around $100 to $500 to $700 for your first 3 to 5 clients. Right? Then we look at benefits. Now, like I said, the demand for high quality content is high. With the rise of ChatGPT and all that, everybody is doing this. But what you need to do is to understand how to create high quality content. I will walk you through a simple prompt that I use to create high quality content for this kind of business. 2, the low startup cost. You don't need anything to start. It's free. Canva is free. ChatGPT is free. You can do this remotely. You can work with anybody remotely when you are going into this particular business. Business number 2. Business number 2 is ebook publishing. Right now, as a matter of fact, if you not watch my video, the 24 hours authorship video, go and watch it right now and see how you can literally know how to create an ebook in 24 hours. And you can use ChatGPT to write an ebook on popular topics or niche. Then you can now go take it to Canva. On Canva, you can now create a professional cover for these things and create a promotional material that is visually appealing to people who will need these services. Then you begin to sell your ebook on platforms like Amazon Kindle, also on your own platform, like on your own YouTube, on your own Facebook, your own Instagram, and your own website. You can sell this ebook. Ebooks, any kind of guide, popular niche that you know. Another thing is, you might not even go for what you know. Let me tell you, sometimes if you have a passion about a certain business, people are not interested in your own passion. People are interested in what they are interested in. So you can do research about what people are interested in. Go and create content around that. That is how you can create an ebook. You can put on Amazon and be making money with that ebook, right? Profit potential for creating an ebook and selling on Amazon anything around $200 to $2,000 per month is very, very attainable. Very, very. And again, your sales and marketing will also play a vital role. But at least this is a business you can start today. Why should you start this business? Because passive income potential is there. You create the ebook once, it keeps selling recurring income. You could making recurring income based on your sales on your book without performing the same task over and over. And you can scale this. You can scale it to write more books, more titles, to as much as you can. That's why this business is very lucrative. Beginners and those that are advanced can go into this business. Business number 3 is social media management. It's a no-brainer. ChatGPT will actually help you create an engaging social media post, captions, and even create promotional materials for you for your social media management business. It's like it's mind-blowing. Everything is free right now. You can start this business for free. Then use Canva to design eye-catching graphic for the social media. Even Canva can even go ahead to even create video. You can even create video with Canva. Then all you need to do is provide this particular business to businesses who you can see. We can see them every day. They are not able to create content sustainably because it's not easy for them. It's very easy. Anybody can do it, but they don't have the time, but they have the money to pay you. So this is what you can do. Do it for them. They pay you anything around $300 to $3,000 per month. As long as you are creating engaging content that is making them more money on their business, they will pay you this amount of money. Why should you start this business? Growing demand for social media expertise is always on the rise. And for the fact that you can be making recurring income every month with this business is a no-brainer. Go and start it now. About the next business. Next 5, which is online course creation. Now, online course creation has been on the rise, and the projection is that it will continue to be on the rise in the next 10 years again. But we have ChatGPT to help us develop course outline, course curriculum, or the transformation guideline for your course, including the script and the lessons and the plans and the worksheets and everything you need to create your own course. And you use Canva to create the slides. Yes, and even the worksheet, the design for the worksheet, you use Canva for that. Then the next thing you need to do is to go and host this particular online course on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Podia. You start promoting it. Canva and ChatGPT you can also use to create your promotional material for promoting your online course. What you need to do is to have expertise in certain field, or go and do research about what people are looking for and create a course around it. It's the same thing. You see how this thing is? And course creators are making anything around $500 to $10,000 per course launch. I'm not talking about for life. Per course launch, they launch sometimes within a day, within a week, within a month, within 3 months, they make this amount of money, and it keeps coming. Your topic will matter a lot, depending on the audience that particular topic has. The benefit of creating this course is the fact that it has high demand. The demand is very, very high, and ability to impact and educate people, no, is priceless. So course creation is always going to be on the rise because of education that people need. Business number 5, you can start right now. ChatGPT and Canva without spending a dime in starting this business is personalized greeting cards. ChatGPT can create you a custom greeting card that you can create with ChatGPT, right? With custom messages, with poems, greetings, and all that in different languages, multi-language. You don't even need to know how to speak these languages, but ChatGPT know how to speak them, and you just need to translate, and that is all. Take your designs into Canva. Again, take your created content into Canva. Canva does the design for you. Why we choose this business is because people need this particular product, right? Birthdays, all the New Year's, celebrations, Mother's Day, Father's Day, all that. Greeting cards are making creators rich every single day. You can even create a template and sell if you don't want to create the greeting cards themselves. What else are we looking at here? You can sell this on Etsy, right? You can sell them on Etsy or your own website if you have one, but you don't even need your own website. Sell them on your social media platforms. Profit potential in this business is anything around $200 to $2,000. I'm going to do a case study for this business, and I will show you creators who are actually making money with these businesses so that you can know this is real. This is no joke at all, right? Now, the benefit of starting this business is that it's a creative business. Like, it's something that by the time you are into it, it boosts your creativity. You get this fulfillment for creating a message that resonates with a lot of people, and people can receive it and feel unique because of your product. Just something so good. It's so good. That is why this business number 5 is very important. So these are the top 5 business you can start right now with ChatGPT and Canva. Alright, if this is your first time watching my video, you find value in this particular video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and watch the part 2 of this video. If the business idea that you are thinking of starting is not here, just maybe the business idea you are looking forward to start will be in the next part of this video. So go and watch that particular video and see you in the next one.